make a funny face. That hurt your hand?
Yeah.
Or did you get it? Go ahead. I think you're funny. Oh, you hit the wall. Yeah, well, we don't. Let's try not to hit the wall. One more. Okay, that's enough. Say bye.
Bye.
Say, my name is Lucas.
Lucas.
Say, my
name
is
is
Lucas.
Lucas.
Now wave bye.
Bye.
Blow a kiss.
Bye, Lucas.
No, not bye, Lucas. I said blow a kiss. Okay. Bye.